So what's up, guys? How you guys doing tonight? Today, whatever time of the day when you're watching this video, I just literally got out of the shop. I had a client today. My goal is always to have two, but hey, one is better than none. Today I gave someone two of those free haircuts coupons. So, and honestly, I have a good feeling that these people's gonna use it compared to the 120 that I gave away and they haven't used none of them yet. I'm hoping to have a day that I can start like a day off, that I don't have to go to my other job and start spreading those out. But I honestly want to give them to people that actually go to use them, and give it to other people that will take advantage of it. Because man, like I've gone to Facebook groups on my CD, and man, you'd be surprised. When I first started testing the free haircut campaign, I did it on my town, and it was crazy because out of 10, I think, spots, probably 12, I think it was 10, only 3 showed up. 10 booked the appointment, but only 3 showed up. It's kind of discouraging, because you're expecting to, if you fill up those spots, for them to come, because at least they will be able to take advantage of it. But nope. From the people that I gave those free haircuts, none of them have come back. So, which is good, is something that I'm expecting to happen. But this is the thing, because like I'm not only giving these to people who want to cut, I'm actually even giving it out to any type of people, anyone, without picking and choosing. Anyone that I see needs a haircut, I just give them one. And even those not even haven't booked an appointment. So it's very strange how people see. At the same time, it's understandable when it comes to haircuts, when it comes to a barber giving free haircuts, especially on that type of stuff. When you hear free, you must think, it's not good. But I have my social media there. My haircuts are very decent, or good. A lot of people would like them. So I don't see a reason why not to see any quality on them. Or I don't see why you will see something on them that you don't want to keep on a good positive note and be like, oh, okay, I would like to get a haircut by him, you know what I mean? But whatever it might be, it is what it is. Keep on thinking on ways, though, keep attracting more clientele. I also gotta work on my my thumbnails. I know most of my videos don't have thumbnails. Probably by the time you see this video, it does have a thumbnail. So that means I already worked on it. But I gotta start working on them. Most of, if not all, of my unboxing videos and trying videos, they have a thumbnail. Some of my haircuts tutorial have a thumbnail. So I just have to work on that, especially on my thumbnails for my videos. So that's something I gotta start working on. And guys, if you are ever interested on any other tools that I use, or equipment that I use, there are downs. I have affiliate links on the description box, so you guys can just go ahead and look at it. I just get a small commission from Amazon when you guys purchase anything. It's not coming off of your price. It's not coming like you paying for it. It's nothing. It's cost free for you guys. So take advantage of it. I already have done the research. You guys just have to click on it and get any of that stuff. But like I said, I'm gonna be making a video every single day for you guys for 40 days. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed night. See you tomorrow.